For $25, Brazilian deep curly, like who, baby? That's all I'm trying to figure out.
Yo, hola, okay, hola. You see a bad bitch coming through, yo, what the hola? I'm in that new me and new.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Godobsessionz, and I am back with another video. So today we're gonna be getting into this gorgeous Brazilian loose curly hair, girl. But guess how much it is, though? $25, okay? $25 for all this good 32-inch goodness. And girl, let me tell you, this hair is the bomb, okay? If you want to see how I actually got my hair to, like, how I customized my hair to look like this, make sure you go ahead and leave a comment down below. But this is just going to be like a review video, so if you guys want to see that, I'll make a whole nother separate video. Also, before we go ahead and get into the video, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and thumbs up this video. Also, if you had any wigs that you wanted me to review on this channel, make sure you go ahead and DM them to me at Godobsessionz, or you can leave them down in the comment section below, and I will try to review them for you, because I got you, girl. Also, make sure you go ahead and follow me on all my social media handles. They are down below in the description box. And like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because, you know, we all a family here or whatever. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So while I have this scarf on my head, I'm actually laying my part down under here to make it look more flat. The wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is the OUTRE lace front in the style SADIE or SADIE 32 inches. And then this is in the color 4, which I know is like a light brown. Well, it's like a sandy brown. It's not really like a light brown. It's like a sandy brown. So a couple specs on this wig. This wig does go for $25.99 on most wig websites, so about $26 for this hair. I feel like that's a really good deal because this wig is super bomb to me. It is pretty long. Let's see, as far as the cap construction, you guys know most of the time with my wigs, I do have a little problem with the ear tabs not be coming all the way down to my ears, but this wig definitely had enough lace, so it definitely is big head friendly. As far as the room on the wig, it is big head friendly. You don't have to glue this wig down if you don't want like all the extra baby hairs and stuff, or if you're gonna leave your own edges out, you wouldn't need to glue this wig down, because how the back of the wig is set up, if you have it pulled down all the way to the back of your head, it's gonna hold the wig on your hair so it won't slip. And you also don't necessarily have to use the combs either, because I don't use combs. I feel like they're gonna take out my fucking hair, so I don't use them. And yeah, so but in my case, I do like to glue or gel my wigs down. I do use lately I've been using this Ebin Forever Ultimate Lace Holding Glue, and this is the Ultra Super Hold. I also have the Mega Hold in my bathroom. So both of them work really well. I believe it's about $3.99 for this small thing. It's like $2.99 or $3.99, but it's because it lasts a really long time and it holds the wig so freaking well. This is not sponsored. I'm just letting y'all know. Like, I'm just putting y'all on to tip. All right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my scarf off. And as you can see, I've already done like some baby hairs. They are like extra AF, but as you can see, like my part is laying down really flat, and this does look like virgin hair. Now the wig didn't come like this. This is my second time filming this video, so that's why I'm not doing like the unboxing and the customizing part of the video. But I definitely want to show you guys this wig because it's bomb. I wasn't going to post it, but I had to make sure I posted this for y'all because I know y'all going to love this freaking wig. Okay, so like I said, you can see my part is flat now. I don't know if you guys can see in this picture, but you see how it's kind of humpy right here? That's actually how it came, but I just put some mousse on here. If you guys want to see how I actually like got this hair to look like this, make sure you leave a comment down below or smash the like button, and I'll go ahead and make that video, or I'll attach it to the update on this wig. This wig is definitely, oh, my boobies is just here to play. This wig is definitely 32 inches. I'll stand up so you guys can actually see. It comes all the way down to like my hips, and if you guys didn't know, I am 5'9", so yeah, this wig is 32 inches. And I do have a long torso, so yeah. Now as far as the curl pattern of this wig, it is like a deep wave at the top, and then it's like you get looser towards the bottom. But I feel like if you use the method that I use to get this hair looking this way, you won't really be able to tell the difference in texture so drastically. Like obviously if you look at the bottom of the hair and you look at the top, you can tell that it's a different curl pattern. But like how I mixed it, I actually put some conditioner and some warm water in a spray bottle, and I just sprayed it and ran my fingers through it, and then I applied some mousse on top. I definitely feel like it does keep that wet look. It looks really good. This is like, girl, who is telling you that this is not Brazilian deep wave hair for $25? Like, for $25, Brazilian deep curly, like who, baby? That's all I'm trying to figure out. Who is clocking you? Who telling you? Who telling you that this ain't that? Because it really looks like I have a closure. And yeah, like this is just so pretty. I will insert clips at the end of the video. As far as like me standing up in this wig, y'all already know, if you saw in the thumbnail, those are pictures that I actually took in this wig. But I feel like this wig is really pretty. This is like a bomb vacation wig. Other than that, I really don't have no cons about this wig. Obviously it does tangle. Like it's not like tangling up on my head or anything, but I'm just letting y'all know that it's because I haven't got any tangling yet, but I'm just letting y'all know that I am gonna get some tangling, and it is gonna tangle up on you eventually, because number one, it's a synthetic wig, period. Number two, it's long as shit, and number three, it's curly. So those three mixed together tells me that this shit is gonna tangle up. So, but for $25, sis, like you getting some Brazilian deep curly vibes, like vacation bad mommy vibes. Like this is definitely a super good grab for the summertime, so I think you should go ahead and get you one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys had any extra questions about the wig, you can go ahead and DM me on Instagram at goldobsessionz, or you can leave a comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you. Also, if there's any other wigs that you guys wanted me to try to like fix up, or that you want to see me review on this channel, make sure you go ahead and DM me on Instagram at Godobsessionz, or you can comment down below. Also, before we leave, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, girl, because we a big old family over here. Our family is steadily growing, and you want to be a part of this, because I am going to be doing hella giveaways coming up. So you guys make sure that you stay tuned for that. Also, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can catch up on the uploads from your girl. And until next time, bye guys.
Bags is on the beat.